Hello, ma'am. I am Mary Chris D. G. Bulalin. I live at Barangay 3 Alugo Old, Badog, Ilocos Norte. I am 44 years old. I am widowed and I have a son and he is 11 years old. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters and I am the 4th child in the family. I work in Hong Kong as domestic helper 1 year and 5 months. And I break my contract because my husband got sick. My employer and I talk about this matter and they understand me. After a few months of treatment, my husband died. I have a son and I asked my sister to take care of him if I had given the chance to work in Hong Kong. I can cook. I can cook basic Chinese dishes, and I love to take care of a child. Please choose me, ma'am, because I am honest, loyal, trustworthy, fast learner, and I promise to take care of your family, and I will give my best to work with. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.